Hello, my name is Trevor Haney and this is my EDFN 530 intro. I'm a technology and engineering teacher at Oxford Area High School. I teach 9th through 12th grade. This is my 6th year of teaching. At Oxford, I teach many different classes. My classes are aerospace engineering, where we learn everything from hot air balloons to orbital mechanics. Civil and architectural engineering, where we focus on construction of residential and commercial buildings, along with roads and bridges. Principles of engineering, where we dive deep into the math and physics of engineering. Intro to engineering, where we talk about the engineering design process and how we create new things. I also teach some mechanical drawing and computer-aided drafting classes. At Oxford, I am also the head track and field coach. I primarily focus on the long and triple jumps and the pole vault. I'm the advisor for the ski and snowboard club, as well as the STEM and ping pong club. All these activities keep me busy throughout the year. I'm currently getting my degree in assessment curriculum and teaching with a STEM education concentration. I plan on finishing my master's degree this year. I'm really excited for this class. I believe that my weakest part of teaching is probably assessing students. I want to learn all about new learning tools that I don't use and figure out what would work best for me. I also want to know the best way of making sure that my students have truly mastered a specific concept. Overall, I hope this class makes me a better teacher, and I can't wait to get started.